Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I'm going to do two more questions from the Delta Math assignment that I assigned. And these are inequalities. And they basically are the same as solving equations with the one difference that I explained in the last video. So I'm going to get going on this. So the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to box it up, circle it up. So this is going to be a negative 7m. This is going to be minus 2. This is going to be a negative 10m. And this is going to be minus 10. Boxes go with boxes, circles go with circles. So I'm going to move this over. That's not what I want. Let me get this. I'm going to move this over. And then I'm going to box this up. So this is going to change the sign, cross the line, change the sign. So this is going to be a plus 10m. Then I'm going to take this circle, move it over here with this circle. So this is going to be plus 2. Now all I'm going to do is add these. So I got a negative 7m plus 10m. That's going to be a positive 3m. And then over here is going to be a negative 10 plus 2. That's going to be a negative 8. Now, can't do anything with this. So we're going to divide both sides by the coefficient. The coefficient is positive. So it's just going to be 1m is less than or equal to a negative 8 over 3. That is our answer. So let's go and enter that. So this is going to be less than or equal to, and then we're going to do a negative 8 divided by 3, and we're going to submit this, and let's see what we got. So that's correct. Now, even though this is a fraction, it's all right. That's all right. All right, so now I'm going to go and I'm going to do one from a level 2, just to show you that it's the same thing, same process, just a little bit more work, but not too much. All right, so here, let me write the equation. We got a negative 3r minus a negative 7r plus 3 is less than or equal to 3r minus 4 minus 1. All right, remember, same thing as solving equations. So the very first thing we need to do is get rid of the parentheses. Now I'm going to add a 1 in front of the parentheses because there's always a number in front of the parentheses. If you don't see one, you assume it's a 1. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to distribute and get rid of the parentheses. So this is going to be 1 times a negative 1 times a negative 7. So this is going to be a plus 7r. And then we're going to do a negative 1 times a positive 3, and that's going to be a minus 3. And now I'm just going to rewrite the inequality without the parentheses because we got rid of them. And it's going to be minus 4 minus 1. Now, I'm going to draw my line down. I'm going to do my box, my circle, my box, my circle. So now, inside, this is going to be a negative 3r plus 7r. And this is going to be minus 3 in the circle. On the right-hand side of the inequality is going to be 3r. It's going to be a negative 4 minus 1. Now, all I have to do is simplify combined terms. So this is going to be a positive 4r. And this is going to be negative 4 minus 1 is going to be a negative 5. All right, so now box it up. They're circled up, so let's move them across. This is going to go over here. So this is going to be a minus 3r. And then over here, we're going to move the circle over here. And this is going to be a plus 3. So what I've got is 4r minus 3r. So that's going to be 1r. And then over here, I have a negative 5 plus 3. That's going to be a negative 2. And then I'm done. So this is going to be less than or equal to. So that's the answer. Let me go to my tablet and do that. And I'm putting a negative 2 here. And then I'm going to submit it. And they said, nicely done. All right, guys. So these videos are just to help you in case you get a little confused. But inequalities are essentially the same as solving equations. The only difference is if your coefficient at the end is negative, when you divide by that negative, you have to flip the inequality. That's the only difference, and it's a very small difference, but it's a very important difference. All right, I am going to stop this, and I am going to post it.